Hello! In this video we will explore the simplest connection to the mission planner. The idea is only to connect to the mission planner and establish proper connection. We will use for this purpose a different PC which will run by Python, and on this PC we will run a mission planner. The connection between those two computers will be via Mavlink 2, but it will be pretty seamless to us because we are using Python. And the link will be Ethernet, as you can see here, but it's not important because we are targeting the IP address. It can be Ethernet or Wi-Fi and so on. So now we are on PC number 1 and we'll see the mission planner execution for the connection. On the other computer we will see the Python code. Now our codes are for the Python inside Sims IoT devices, Mavlink, and we are using this one, mission planner connectivity, and it is video number 6 exploring our Mavlink 2 connection. So we are opening the mission planner, and our main idea is to connect by using UDP. So we checked before the IP of the computer using ipconfig, and now we are connecting to the known IP address and known port. Okay. This is my port, please note, and now it's waiting for the connection. I will run the Python program on the second computer. Now it's running, and please note, Mavlink is connecting. He's not trying to connect and then getting the parameters. I hope you could see it. Those are two essential steps in order to connect, and now you see you have a proper connection, and actually the mission planner is connected to another computer, and every second another computer is sending the heartbeat messages to see that the connection is valid and to make sure that it will not be disconnected. Okay, now let's go to the second computer and let's see how the program execution looks from there. Okay, now we are on our second computer and we want to run a Python code from here in order to connect to the mission planner. First, we will grab the Python file. And this is video number 6. You have the explanation here. This is the only purpose is to connect to the mission planner installed to another computer. We're going here, and this is a very short and very simple Python code. We'll put it inside our editor here, and let's go over the code. We know the IP of the computer where the mission planner is installed. We checked it by a CMD using ipconfig command, and we know the port. So we can open the socket, and now we define the Mavlink 2 protocol, and we define two messages. First is a heartbeat with relevant data, and second one is a param message with the data of one parameter. Usually it's a matrix with different parameters, but we want to use the simplest possible way, so we're sending only one parameter, a set of parameters appropriate to param number 1, for example. We are running the program 10 times for 10 seconds, where we're sending the heartbeat message, and then we are sending the parameters. The heartbeat message is essential in order to understand that the computer is still connected, and the parameters are important for proper connection for Mission Planner in order to understand how Mission Planner should arrange the screen, what parameters it should read, and so on. So those two messages are essential. So we are sending a message byte, which is heartbeat, and message, which is the parameters. And then we will write on the screen that the data was sent, wait for 1 second, and then receive the message from the Mission Planner, just to see how Mission Planner is seeing this. So on my Mission Planner computer, we'll try to connect via UDP. So I'll pressing connect on the proper port. Okay, and now it's waiting for the connection. Now I'm running the Python code. I can open the screen just for you to see it better. So you see we're sending the first message, the second, now it's already connected. I can see it on my other screen, but we'll send 10 messages. It's connected proper somewhere here after a few seconds. But let's analyze what we just witnessed. First, we send our first heartbeat message with parameters, number 0, and received a 17 bytes reply from the Mission Planner where he requested the heartbeat. We send again the heartbeat and parameters, and the thing that the Mission Planner already have the heartbeat message, so the request was a data stream. And he's requesting the data stream for till the end of those 2 seconds, but we are not complying to this request. We continue to send the parameters in order to establish a proper connection. Our next stages can be to fulfill the Mission Planner demands, like requesting the data stream and additional requests that it's supposed to have. But it is something that we can investigate in our future videos. In this video, we have reached our goal, and by sending heartbeat and parameters, established a proper connection via UDP to the Mission Planner. Thank you.